The big four banks will face a fresh investigation into potential price gouging after failing to pass on repeated interest rate cuts in full.
Live now to political reporter Eliza Edwards. Eliza, what will be the focus of this new probe?
Well, the government has asked the ACCC to investigate how much mortgage holders are being slugged as the big four banks continue to snub their nose at rate cuts from the Reserve Bank and fail to pass on the benefits to their customers in full. Smaller lenders will also be subject to this probe, but it will focus on the ANZ, NAB, CommBank and Westpac. And the Prime Minister has described their conduct thus far as profiteering. So that gives you some insight in why the government has gone through with this. The big four banks have already been raked over the coals at the Royal Commission, but they'll be forced to come clean again on their pricing practices, particularly relating to interest rates on residential mortgages. The government hasn't ruled out policy changes or further regulation to keep the banks in line, but it won't hike up the bank levy, so any further regulation or crackdown is likely to be regulatory. Pete and Laura?